Howdy everyone, my name is Story Without Borders. Today I'm shooting a new video about interesting question. Where is the geographical midpoint of Europe? I definitely can't answer this question, but there are contenders for the center of Europe. Who are they? Let's find in this video. The location of the geographical center of Europe depends on the definition of the borders of Europe, mainly whether remote islands are included to define the extreme points of Europe, and on the method of calculating the final result. Thus, several places claim to host the hypothetical center. Extreme points of Europe. The picture above shows the extreme points of Europe, northern or southern. The northern, which are Ostrov Rudolfa or Rudolf Island, a Russian island, Hinarodin, a tourist attraction in Norway, and Miss Желание or Kape Желание, the northernmost point of Severny Island, Russia. The extreme southern points of Europe are Cabo de Roca, a historical place in Portugal, Punta de Tarifa, the southernmost point of the Spanish mainland, and Gavdos Island in Greece under the administrative region of Crete. Breaking news! Hello everyone, my name is Sam and I'm a journalist. Today we will find out the candidate for the center of Europe. So let's start! Suchowola, Poland. The first official declaration of the center of Europe was made in 1775 by the Polish royal astronomer and cartographer Szymon Antony Sublikarski, who calculated it to be in the town of Suchowola, near Białystok, northeastern Poland. The method used was that of calculating equal distance from the extreme points of Europe: the westernmost point in Portugal, the easternmost point in Central Urals, the northernmost point in Norway, and the southernmost point in Greece. Islands were not taken into consideration. There is a monument commemorating that definition in Suchowola. Krymińskie Bane, Slovakia. In about 1815 there was a declaration that the center of Europe was located near the mining town of Krymińce, on a hill that forms the water division between the basins of the Baltic Sea and Black Sea, near St. John's Baptist Church. The method used for calculating is unknown, but from the description given on the plaque located near the church, it seems that it has been the center of the smallest circle circumscribed on Europe. The title of the center of Europe is also claimed by the neighboring village Krakow, which used to belong to the same parish. Now a famous center for winter sports with a hotel and recreation center called Stred Europy. Transcarpathia, Ukraine. In 1887, geographers from Austro-Hungarian Empire set up a historical marker and a large stone in what is today a part of Ukraine, believed to mark the geographic center of Europe. The interpretation of the worn Latin inscription on the monument is debated, with some claiming that the marker is merely one of a number of fixed triangulation points for sovereign purposes, established around the territory of the former empire. The external borders of Europe taken into account during the calculations are not known. According to the description, the methodology used for the calculation is that of the geometrical middle point of extreme latitudes and longitudes of Europe. So, the stone was located at 48 degrees north and 23 degrees east. However, the actual location of the monument seems rather 47 degrees north and 24 degrees east, and not the coordinates to which they relate. This is near the village of Dilove, located on the Tisa River close to the Romanian border, in the county of Rahiv in the Transcarpathian region. Czech Republic, Bavaria. Austrian geographers also marked the 939-meter high Dillenberg or Dülen near the Bohemian city of Eger or Chep, with a copper plate as the center of Europe. As the border, Germany-Bavaria runs 100 meters west of the mountaintop. The German village of Bad I can't speak German. Okay. Uses this for the promotional purposes. Bayerische Rundfunk journalist asked the Institute for Geography of the University of Munich to verify the claims. The institute concludes that the center lies further to the south in Heideville's Row, near Flossenburg. Georgia, Lithuania. After a re-estimation of the boundaries of the continent of Europe in 1999, Jean-Georges Adolpher, a scientist at the Institut Geographique National, French National Geographic Institute, determined that the geographic center of Europe is located at these coordinates. The method used for calculating this point was that of center of gravity of the geometrical figure of Europe. This point is located in Lithuania, near the village of Georgia. A monument composed by the sculptor Gemindas Jogbunis and consisting for a column of which granite surmounted by a crown of stars was erected at the location in 2004. An area of woods and fields surrounding the geographic center point and including Lake Georgia, Bentonau Hill, and the old burial ground was set aside as a reserve in 1992. The State Tourism Department at the Ministry of Economy of Lithuania has classified the geographical center monument and its reserve as a tourist attraction. 17 kilometers away lies Europos Parkos, open-air museum of the center of Europe, a sculpture park containing the world's largest sculpture made of TV sets. And there is an interesting fact. It's the only geographical center of Europe with recognition in the Guinness Book of World Records. Well, this is end of the video. Thank you very much for the view. With you was Story Without Borders. Goodbye.